Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Samsung Galaxy A30s versus a Huawei P30 Lite. And P30 Lite comes with a high silicon Kirin 710 processor with a 4 GB RAM, while the A30s comes with Exynos 7904 chipset. So both phones comes with a triple cameras on the back. So without any further ado, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. And both phones comes with a 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage on the A30s versus a 128 GB internal storage on the Huawei P30 Lite. And let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And Huawei P30 Lite is faster there. Samsung Galaxy A30s, now it is also done. About 1 second difference there. A30s comes with a 720p Super AMOLED display versus a Full HD IPS LCD on the P30 Lite. So little bit difference there, and in-display fingerprint scanner on the A30s, which you don't see on the P30 Lite. So let's see the app's opening speed. So everything is closed up in the background. So first application is the phone dialer, faster on the Huawei P30 Lite, little bit faster there. So settings, that is again little bit faster on the Huawei P30 Lite. So moving on with mic lock, faster again on the Huawei P30 Lite, and A30s is right behind there. So my files, and that is again little bit quicker on the Huawei P30 Lite. So this time again Huawei P30 Lite is again faster there, and you can see, and the system based application faster on the Huawei P30 Lite. So let's see some games applications. So first we got is the Candy Crush, and Huawei is faster there. Huawei P30 Lite is faster. A30s is right behind. Subway Surfer, and Huawei P30 Lite is again faster there, and Samsung Galaxy A30s is right behind, about 1 or 2 second difference there. Next up is the Temper Run 2, last game application in this speed test, and again super duper faster on the Huawei P30 Lite, while the Samsung Galaxy A30s, now it is also done, about 2 or 4 second difference there. And you can see, and the games is also faster on the P30 Lite. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera, and that is little bit faster on the A30s, followed by the Huawei P30 Lite. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using the Google Chrome on both phones because I don't have Samsung internet browser on the A30s. So wikipedia.org, same Wi-Fi network, and Samsung Galaxy A30s is faster, and Huawei P30 Lite, now it is also done, and you can see no lag whatsoever. So next up is the apple.com, and Huawei P30 Lite is faster, and Samsung Galaxy A30s is still taking some time, and now it is also done, and you can see, and the scrolling is very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. And you can see, let's see the zooming in and out, that is also smooth on both phones. So let's see the RAM management on both phones comes with a 4 GB RAM. So that got refreshed on the P30 Lite. And so far RAM management is really good on the A30s, while again refresh on the Huawei P30 Lite 2 application refresh. And apps opening speed, it is faster on the Huawei P30 Lite, and Samsung Galaxy A30s is right behind to the Huawei P30 Lite. RAM management is really good on the A30s, but one or two application is refresh on the Huawei P30 Lite. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you guys think about the Samsung Galaxy A30s, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.